I forgot to mention where I was at. I'm in beautiful Harrison Township, Michigan. This is a boating community, and it's part of my territory. So you can't even tell that we moved that bed over. Yeah, you can't even tell. And it looks great. So everything's now in reverse. You know, you pull up out of here, get the equipment out, lift the plywood, start rolling the fabric. It's just literally everything in reverse. We'll take a hand tamper and we'll tamp out where the plywood kind of pushed in a little bit. Trust me, one rain and it'll be like we were never even here. All right, guys, until the next video.